Today we'll talk about how can you change your name on your Slack app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it, or you just go down, you click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, it's going to take you to this list. Then you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on your name. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on primary here details. Just click on it. Then you come here to for name. You change here your name here. So you just here add here. You go up, so I'm going to add my name here or change name here. You go up or save, click on it, and it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.